Hi everyone and welcome back on our little walking tour around Rome. We've seen loads of different things, coming across little parks, monuments. Here we have the Colosseum at the back while we had a pit stop. This is the Pantheon. The architecture is second to none. Coming up to the top of the Spanish Steps here with Matt, 138 steps. Honestly, it's absolutely stunning, but best to see it on foot. This is the amazing Trevi Fountain, very busy, but obviously you've got to throw your euros in and make your wish. But beautiful. We're taking the approach to Castel Sant Angelo. This was the mausoleum of Hadrian. It was actually commissioned by the Roman Emperor. They believe the construction of the mausoleum started in 123 AD and finished in 139 AD. Even though Hadrian actually commissioned the construction of his own mausoleum, he never actually got to see the completed structure, which is really sad. We didn't actually book our tickets to the castle. We visited the basilica and we decided on our walk back that we would pop in. It wasn't a big queue, and we had the pleasure of walking around so many pieces of art, statues, monuments. I mean, you can see the views of the city, absolutely stunning from the castle. We actually stopped up on the top level and had a lovely drink and just relaxed and took in the breathtaking views. Absolutely stunning. Here you can see the basilica from the castle, just gorgeous. Hope you've enjoyed our little tour around the castle. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Lovely to receive your comments and new followers. So please give us a like. Thanks for subscribing. It is free. And watch us on our journey.